You brush twice a day, you floss. You use mouthwash every single morning, and yet someone still leans away when you talk. Your partner still turns their head. Your coworker offers you gum. Again, here is what no dentist has ever told you. Brushing your teeth has almost nothing to do with your bad breath. I know. That sounds insane. But after studying thousands of bad breath cases, scientists discovered something buried deep inside your body, something that has zero connection to your mouth. And today, on Dental Miracle, we are going to expose it completely. Stay with me until the end. Welcome back to Dental Miracle, the channel where we dig past what your dentist tells you and find the science underneath. Now let's talk about halitosis, because this affects 1 in 4 people on this planet. That is roughly 2 billion people walking around. Let's start by destroying the biggest lie the oral care industry has sold you. Bad breath comes from your mouth, right? Wrong. Studies show that up to 40% of chronic bad breath cases have nothing to do with your teeth or gums at all. Think of it this way. Imagine your kitchen has a terrible smell. You spray air freshener every day. You scrub the counters. But the smell never goes away, because what you do not know is that something is rotting inside the walls. Behind the surface, your digestive system, from your mouth all the way down to your intestines, is one connected tube, one long continuous pipeline. Scientists call this volatile sulfur compound production, VSCs. These are the actual molecules that make breath smell like rotten eggs. When the balance tips, when the bad bacteria overgrow, they start fermenting undigested food and producing enormous amounts of sulfur gas. This condition is called gut dysbiosis. Your gut is literally breathing through your mouth. The hidden cause I am talking about is your liver. Your liver is your body's filtration system. When it is inflamed, it starts releasing a specific compound into your bloodstream called dimethyl sulfide. This travels through your blood, reaches your lungs, and gets exhaled. This is called hepatic fetor. There is also a third hidden cause, LPR laryngopharyngeal reflux, also called silent reflux. Step 1. Fix your gut first. Add fermented foods, yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut. These introduce beneficial bacteria. Step 2. Hydrate aggressively. A dry mouth is a bacterial paradise. Drink a minimum of 2 liters of water daily. Step 3. Address the liver. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts are shown to support liver detoxification. Step 4. Evaluate for silent reflux. Avoid eating within 3 hours of bedtime and elevate your head slightly while sleeping. Step 5. The tongue. 80% of oral bad breath originates from the back of the tongue. Use a tongue scraper. Bad breath is not a mouth problem. It is a body problem. Treat the gut, the liver, and the reflux for a permanent fix. Subscribe to Dental Miracle for more. Drop a comment below and tell me which cause surprised you the most. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.